Everybody talk about getting the bag, but nobody talk about what to do once the bag land. That's why the money come through your hands like sand through a screen door. It don't stick. So let's fix that with something simple. The 70-20-10 rule is the easiest way to make your money behave without turning your life into a math class. Here's the idea. Out of every dollar you make, 70% is for your living, 20% is for your future, and 10% is for your faith or giving. That's it. 3 pockets. No complicated spreadsheets, no finance bro calculator, just clear lanes for your money to drive in. Because chaos don't build wealth, clarity does. All right, let's break this down so it actually makes sense. That's 70%. That's your everyday life money. Your rent, your groceries, gas, that little Friday night dinner you keep justifying, all of it lives right here. You can enjoy your life, just stop trying to fund a music video with your paycheck. Now that 20%, that's your future you money. Savings, investing, emergency fund, maybe that side hustle you've been talking about since 2021. That 20% is the part that makes sure you don't have to panic every time your car make a new sound. You want to stop stressing? Feed your future. And that last 10%, that's your heart money, your giving, your tithing, helping family, blessing somebody in need. Because money that only moves in your direction goes stale. You keep the flow going when you give some back. You follow this rule long enough, you'll notice something crazy. Your money starts to last. Not because you made more, but because you manage better. Now I already know what somebody about to say. Unc, I can't afford to save nothing right now. Yes, you can. You just can't afford to keep doing what you've been doing. If your check's small, cool. Scale the numbers down, not the discipline. Make it 70-20-10, 80-15-5, even 95-5. I don't care what the mix is. The point is to get in the habit of dividing your money on purpose. You don't need perfection to make progress. You just need a plan you actually follow. Because that 70-20-10 rule, it's not about restriction, it's about direction. It gives your money instructions so it don't wander off. And here's the beauty of it. You start small and consistency does the heavy lifting. A year from now, that same 20% you thought was too little to matter gonna look like a safety net you built brick by brick. We not playing catch up no more, we playing strategy. You ain't trying to look rich this year, you trying to stay paid next year. And that, family, is how you build without borrowing peace from tomorrow. And I'm not Ted, but thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is. By the way, if this video helped you, hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'm dropping new content every week. If you want more money and less problems, stick around. Unc got you.